if I seem a little like, my eyes seem kind of low, my energy level is like not usually where it would be, I'm just feeling a little like out of it. It ain't the Delta. Don't you worry, girl. Anyways, so today I'm here to show you guys some beauty hacks that I have learned, picked up along the way. Some of these I've learned them out of necessity. Some of these I have seen like on the TikToks and the grams. So I'm gonna just show you 4 that I think are actually like really good, really useful. There are a lot of beauty hacks out there that you just be like, no girl, you reaching. But some of them are actually do work. So I'm gonna share those with you. If you're interested, then just keep watching. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a tinted moisturizer. I feel like this is probably the one that's like most common, that a lot of you guys have probably seen. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and this is a Peach Lily Glass Skin Moisturizer. I'm gonna just take a little, like maybe 1 to 2 pumps of, that's like 1 full pump, I would say. And I'm gonna put like 2 parts moisturizer, 1 part foundation. I'm gonna use my favorite stippling brush. Don't judge us because our brush not clean. Is all your brushes clean? And I try to choose foundation and a moisturizer that have similar consistency, so I wouldn't be using like a powder foundation. And you saw how little of that foundation I used. And oh, it just feels so nice and like cooling on the skin. This is a very nice moisturizer by Peach and Lily. I actually really enjoy their product. Boom, look at my face. She's like polished up. She's not super full coverage. You can still see some of my little imperfections around here. So our next hack is color correcting using a red lipstick. Now let me just stop it right there. I know y'all have probably seen these ladies that are out here taking a solid red tube of lipstick and taking it to the face. That's not what we doing over here. We're not. This is what I have. Look, she's red. What you want to do, take some. You see that? Some, babe. I'm gonna take my same foundation and I'm gonna do like little pump in her. And we're gonna mix this together. And you know what? That even still looks a little bit too intense. Oh, girl, please. This looks too intense for me. I'm gonna take concealer because concealer is like much lighter. Okay, so that looks a little better. She has like the little reddish tone, but she's lighter, okay? And apply it anywhere where I would normally color correct, so. And like I said, this is for like my beginner girls. Y'all don't be letting these people out here for you. I'm gonna just put a little bit right here. Okay, so you see, we have subtly color corrected our face, but she's not too wild out here. I don't know. I'm gonna use the end of a comb to like create like a sharp line with my contour slash bronzer. This is the bronzer I'm using. It's a cream bronzer. This is the Say Sun Melt bronzer and the shade Deep Bronze. I'm just gonna lay my comb right here. Boom. So I generally like to like keep it like right here, like in line with like the top of my ear. That's my. I'll show you kind of how to make a cream blush. Put our palette on. A cream blush using a lip product and a concealer. So this is the lip product I'm using. You want to get something that's like rosy or red or whatever, you know what, it don't even have to be rosy, whatever the blush look is that you're going for. This is the Merit Tinted Lip Oil in Pink Beet, and I like the color of this. I use this on my lips a lot. So this is what it looks like on my little palette, and I'm just gonna take this angled brush. She's a little dirty, but she won't. And I'm gonna mix it together. Oh, and actually, you know what, it came out super brown. I'm gonna put a little dollop of this red in here. Now watch, this is like gonna completely overpower it, and then I'm gonna just have to, yeah. exactly what I thought. Girl. Okay, so I put a little bit of the red lipstick I had in there, and she's pink now. She's like super pink. So I mixed that with a little bit of concealer. Ooh. And boom. I feel like y'all have seen on the TikToks how the girls are now blending their eyeshadow and using this technique to be like, whoop, like blend it all together. So this is the Makeup by Maria palette. I really like this palette for beginners. Your money will not be wasted on this because these are super blendable, easy to use shadows. So I'm using this brown right here. I cannot be, fine, the colors is on the back of here. Matte number 10. So I'm gonna use my fingers so I can pick up the most product. And I'm gonna, how they be doing this, child? Put it out there, and I'm gonna put it in here. Okay. This is the XX Revolution, what is this called? Extravaganza palette. So I think I'm gonna do this shade down here and get that really good, and I'm gonna put that in the middle. Let me just tell y'all, if this do not work, I don't know how I'm gonna save this look because this looks real clown-like. What they do is they just be going in, swish, 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 and it be done. So let's. Kind of did something, but so I think the TikTok don't lie to us again. All right, y'all, so clearly I forgot to record an outro, but this is how my look ended up. Look, the TikTok, they don't lie to us with the eyeshadow hack. I don't know who that's working for. I had to kind of clean it up, but the rest of the hacks are tried and true. I use them quite often, so I hope you guys found something that you can use here in this video. Again, I wanted to do something that was very beginner friendly for my girls to help you guys navigate through your makeup. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.